Come Sunday, the dog of his thoughts will bury something unspeakable in your muddy garden. A poem by Kathleen Heidemann from the anthology And Here, 100 Years of Upper Peninsula Writing, 1917 to 2017. With an epigraph by T.S. Eliot. That corpse you planted last year in your garden, has it begun to sprout? Dearest Christ, how's the new job coming? Administrative assistant, you said? Did my last postcard mention how the tulips are poking up their ruddy erections from every corner of the yard? So many, I forgot the hummus held so many. Though it's too soon for bloom, cruel spring. That rose which should have graced my back gate eternally, Paul's ever-blooming scarlet, winter hardy to zone 3, the one I mail-ordered from Gurney's, it froze. But then a seed catalog is a list of the deceased, and not a Bible. Or a Bible too, you think? Bless me, but I get confused.